Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the second video in the Pimp My Van series and our 100th van build. Amazing. Now, because this is our 100th van that I'm pimping up here, I've spent quite a lot of time with it and I'm doing things quite differently. A few things on the outside I'm doing a little bit differently. Certainly inside it is completely different to anything that I've done before. Why? Well, I just wanted to have some fun. I wanted to get creative, have some fun. I wanted to try out some new ideas, see what works, see what doesn't work, see what's going to stick. Maybe I can carry over to my standard everyday van builds, or maybe I can't. You don't know until you do a little bit of trial and error, research and development as it were. So in this 100th van, I've done everything quite different, and I'm going to show you inside very soon what I've done to make this van different. I'm very happy with it. Not sure if I'm ever going to be able to sell it. Well, I know one thing for sure, I'm never going to make a profit on it. I've spent that many hours, that much time on it, you just wouldn't believe. And I don't think anyone would pay me what I need to get my money back or my time back. It has just been a huge task. So I've been working on it. I'm happy with it, and I think I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it for a couple of camping trips. I'm going to do some camping videos, some movies for the channel, and I'm going to use this van as a marketing or promotional van, if you like. I'm going to get some signs made for the back. The signs are ordered. They should be done anytime. Should have the website address. It'll have the YouTube channel address. And I've had this on vans before, and when I drive around, people wave, people toot, people recognize me, people jot down or make note of the channel, and they go and have a look at it, and they email me and say they saw me driving past. And so it's good marketing, it's good advertising for the business and for the YouTube channel to have these details on the van. So they should be here in a few days. I can stick those on. So that'll be finishing off the outside nicely. The inside is about finished now. Couple of little personal details, things I've got to do, but it's basically ready to go camping. So I'm pretty excited about it and I'm very happy with it. But it is completely different, okay? So let's go and have a look and see what I've done to this van, our 100th camper van for KVM Camper Vans. One of the first things you'll notice is the bed is on the left hand side and not the right hand side like it normally is, because I've got this huge cabinet down the end there with the sink, and of course it's got the microwave on the top there, which is fixed down to the cabinet. And this way, because it's most of the time it's just me out camping, I don't need to make the bed up. I can sleep on this side, the single side. I just pop the little bed extension on at the end, shift this squab and pop it down to the end, and that's it. The bed is made. So I can have a snooze in the afternoon or any old time without going to the extra effort of really making up the bed. That cabinet down there, the lid comes off that cabinet and it is used for the bed extension, and that leaves the permanent toilet open and ready to be used. It is fixed to the floor, so everything is legal and it all complies with the new toilet rules. Now this little table here, you can sit on the couch and you can use your laptop, eat your dinner or your breakfast, and you have the option of cooking inside. Of course, you got the microwave. You can put your gas cooker on that cabinet down there, but really you can use the microwave, or you can cook on this little table here. If you want to stand outside in your tailgate tent, you just grab the table, swing it out like this, and it comes outside, so you can now use it in the tailgate tent. I have the little metal shield that goes around the outside of the gas cooker, so you can use it inside or outside, and it protects anything from any flame or any heat with the little metal shield that goes around the gas cooker. So you slide it out here to use it outside in the tailgate tent, or if you're eating inside or want to make a cup of tea or coffee, you just slide it back into the cabinet like that. Got storage under there. Got the first aid kit under there, heaps of storage under the bed here. Yeah, I think it works really, really well. You have got storage under here, of course. You can lift up both sides of these. If you like cheese, I've got my little cheese board here and my cheese board tools all ready to go. Can make myself some crackers and cheese while I'm watching Netflix in the evening. Let's climb inside and have a look around. Right, so the toilet is permanently attached to the floor in this cabinet here, so when it's come time to empty it, you just lift up this hatch. There it is, slide out the cassette, empty it, slide it back in, and all done. As easy as that. Right, let's have a look at the kitchen area. The microwave, of course, is fixed to the ground, and I can plug my caravan cord into campground power and use my microwave. We have a drawer here for our utensils. The little placemates are actually glued onto the wood, so they're there permanently, so you don't have to always look for them, or they don't slide off. Now the sink in the water has a cover over it, so I can slide the cover in. There we go, and I can use that space, or if I want to use the water, I just slide this out and the sink is okay to use there, and I've got another work surface here. So we can slide that in and that covers the sink, so I can actually use that space above the sink. Got the electric tap, as all our vans do have now. Got my little classic radio here, but that's actually got all my tea and coffee sachets in there. If I want to make a quick cup of coffee, got my cooking oils and spices up there in the little spice rack. If I am cooking something inside, of course, I've got my extractor fan here, and I can open the sliding door on this side if I am cooking some soup or heating something up, and the fan will just blow any smells outside the van, of course. Now if there is two of you in the van, in the evening you would set up something here with another sliding curtain, so you actually have privacy. The two of you would sleep back here as the bed folds out, but at this end you would have privacy for the toilet with a little curtain that hooks up here and slides across. So I'll set that up now so you can see it. Okay, so I've popped this curtain up. I just put the elastic, the curtain band that you buy, you put little hooks in the end. I've hooked one end over here, and I've hooked the other end over there onto my fan, but you can find something to hook it to in your van, so it's a very easy thing to do. And then I just bought a shower curtain from Mitre 10. I cut it off to the right length so it doesn't drag along the ground, and I just hooked that over with the loops, and that's it. That is a very simple and easy privacy curtain for the bathroom at night time if there's two people in the van. Now you're saying, oh, you can see right through that. Well, that's because it's daytime and the sun is shining brightly on the other side. However, you would only set this up in the evening, sort of when you're going to bed around about that time, so it would be dark and it would not be transparent, okay, if it was evening or night time. So you hook that up on there, slide it across. You could leave it there during the day, or you could just take it right off, but you've got a privacy curtain. You can do it in your van. Very, very simple, easy thing to set up, and it probably costs you under 20 bucks, you know, to do. Time you buy your little shower curtain from Mitre 10 or Bunnings, the little cord with the hooks on it, and these little loops come with it. So very, very easy thing to do and very effective, very simple. Now during the evening I could sit here with the laptop, I can watch Netflix, or I can read a book, or I can put my little gas cooker on here with the little metal shield around it and make myself a cup of soup or a cup of cocoa in the evening. And a very, very convenient, good sized little table, just like my normal everyday vans that we make at KVM. You could sit on your couch here and you can put something on your shelf along here. This is a lot narrower than the normal side shelf that we have in the KVM vans. The normal ones would come out to about here, but because this design is a little bit different, I've made it back further against the wall. Not quite so much storage, but I do have quite a bit more room out here inside the van. And it's more or less set up basically for one person. Can sleep another person down this way with their feet through there if need be. But I'm pretty happy with this. The space is fantastic. I really feel there's a lot of space here, and I've got all the comforts of home, really. Now I'd like to say hi to all the new subscribers. I tell you, a few days ago I was on national radio for the second time, talking to people, and I was being asked questions about the new camping rules, the new toilets, and how's the freedom camping thing going in New Zealand. So I was able to talk on News Talk ZB for a while, and I tell you that there's been a tsunami of subscribers. Well, when I say tsunami, I mean I kind of mean a wave, you know. There's been a wave of new subscribers. And well, when I say a wave, I mean a ripple, really. It's sort of like a ripple, a little ripple of subscribers have been coming in. I want to say hi, thank you for subscribing, and I want to say welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoy it. We have a lot of fun. We don't get too serious. We just relax and make things up as we go, basically. We just love our vans, and we love getting out and camping and meeting nice people. So welcome aboard. Hope you enjoyed the van tour. We've still got a few more things to do to this 100th van. Probably on the next video we will have it all done, and I'll be able to put on that beautiful gold label, KVM Camper Vans van number 100. Looking forward to that. Give us a like, make a cheeky little comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends about us. Check out the new website, kvmcampervans.com. Go to the shop, have a look at our camping products, particularly for camping vans. We're going to build it up. There'll be more and more products coming there. So that's fun. Thanks, guys. Thanks for your support over the years. Really appreciate every single one of you. And I'll talk to you soon on the next video. Stay safe. Happy camping. Ciao.